Okay, now the fun part, shaping pasta. But before we get into specific shapes, I want to share a few tips and tricks that will help you be as successful as possible as you get started. So keep your pasta dough covered to prevent it from drying out. Cut a small piece and work with a small piece at a time while keeping the rest of the dough covered. Do not use any flour when rolling the dough, as it will slide around. You will see that later on, especially when we're trying to roll it out, that I won't have any flour around the table. Apply even pressure with both hands as you roll it out to achieve a smooth, long rope. Once you master the step of rolling an even, long rope, the shaping of the various pasta shapes is easier. Make sure your nails are trimmed and short, because it's very hard to shape pasta correctly with long nails. Because when we're pressing, especially when we're making cavatelli, you will see that we want the fingertips to do the shaping, and if you have long nails, of course, the nails will get inside the dough. If while you're rolling the dough, you notice that it's starting to dry, it will look like cracks are forming on the surface. Slightly moisten your hands with a little bit of water and roll it again. It should smooth it out. It's critical to avoid drying the dough, as it's difficult to shape it once it develops a dry surface. At first, it will seem like it's a lot of work. You need patience and some dexterity, but I promise you will get easier with practice. And it's a great activity to engage your kids or your friends. You will get a good upper arms workout. Okay, one final tip is I want to make sure that you do use a surface, ideally a wood board that has some texture. So you don't want to be shaping it on top of granite or marble, or even this surface that I'm using today. It's a little slick. I've noticed it when I was shaping the pasta. But if you have a pasta board, would be ideal, but any cutting board that has a little bit of texture is what you need.